All right, this is probably the best kept secret to lose actual weight and stay really healthy, I think, in the process. So I'm going to go through it and show you what I do. Most important thing, good blender, Vitamix. I love this thing. Beat the hell out of it. So I'm going to just real quick, I'm not going to make this a cooking video, but real quick, I usually go through one of these every 4 smoothies. This is organic baby spinach, pre-washed organic berry blend. This is the blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. I like to throw in some cherries once in a while. These are frozen cherries. I don't have much left. Chia seeds. I hit this pretty hard for the fiber. So fiber on this is 9 grams per 3 tablespoons. So you get 32% of your daily value of fiber right there. This stuff is a miracle. It's the Vega protein, made simple. Do this for the protein. You need this to basically stay full and keep your brain working right. It's not too bad on the sugar. And if you need it extra sweet without all the sugar, you can use this Vega one. This has stevia in it, which gives you a weird taste at first, but it's not. You start to get used to it and it's good. 1 banana. Chelsea likes to throw in 2. I'm just throwing in 1. So I'll jam it all in here and show you what it is. First thing is water up to about there, just to get it. That's like the catalyst to get everything mixing. You can always add to it. Spinach goes in. I don't have much good spinach here, the fresh stuff. I'm gonna have to use the frozen stuff, but that goes in there. And I like to I like to compact the spinach down to it makes it about here. So, you know, a good portion of it is spinach. So I try to make the lion's share of it. So I'll put this frozen stuff in here. So you can see that's about how much spinach I'm running. 3 little scoops of this protein powder is what I'm going to throw in there. So 2 scoops is 100 calories. Don't pay attention to any of that. It doesn't matter. Look at the protein levels. It's 15 grams. So you're getting 42% protein. Or actually, no, I'll go 3 scoops. So 63% protein. Protein powder there. The rest of the cherries that I have left here. This is just to kind of give it that cherry flavor. We did spinach, and then I'm going to throw the berries in. Bring the berries up to about there. So you're basically filling up this Vitamix blender about that much. So getting a lot of antioxidants and whatnot, and then I just kind of do chia seeds for good measure there. And then we blend it all up. I almost forgot banana. So let's see if I need to use the plunger or not. It's always a crapshoot, so we'll see. A little more water. Add a little more water to it. Once it's all blended up, it should be nice and purple like that and smoothie like. And then just drop that in there. I like it a little thicker, so that's why I usually add water as I go. This is one of those mason jar cups. It's about 2.5. It says cups on the side of quantity. So that's the serving right there. And then usually they give the rest to Chels. There you go.